Hey guys, what is up? It is me, Kate. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I don't know what my hair is doing today, but we're gonna roll with it per usual. I don't know what this is. Anyways, as you can tell from the title, I have done 4 months of BOXYCHARM so far. This is not sponsored. I had to pay for this with my own monies, and honestly, it is so worth it. In my opinion, there are some hit or miss products, but in all, I would have never tried these products out if I didn't do BOXYCHARM. So my sorority little Hannah, she started doing it a little while ago, and I really liked the stuff that she was trying out, and I love trying new makeup, but I don't want to pay a ton of money and then find out that I absolutely hate it. So I'm just going to show you guys some stuff that I'm working with, what I got, what I think about it, pricing, all that jazz. So let's just get into the video. But disclaimer, I will say again, this is not sponsored. These are my total and honest opinions, y'all. I swear, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have put out videos where I did not like a product or products. I don't know, but we're gonna be honest here. I did have them all separated into what month I got all these products, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna get into it. But let's start with January this month, because I do have my little paper right here. So every month you do get one of these little papers, and it tells you all of the stuff that you could have got on the back and then what they retail for and all that kind of stuff, so you can really see what you're getting in your box. There's nothing under $25 full priced on this list, and the box is $25. So in all, first of all, 5 products? I think it's 5 products. I don't know. You get 5 products for $25, all over $25, so you're really only paying for 1 product, if that even makes sense, because a lot of these products are like retail $34, so in all, I don't know, I'm just ranting at this point. But guys, I'm so excited. I got to try some new makeup. So first of all, I'm going to say I do recommend BOXYCHARM, but I want to talk about more of the products and some really cool gems that I have found that I would recommend to you guys. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so first of all, let's talk about like skincare and all that stuff. I got 3 products so far that are like really for skincare. I like all of them. This one is probably like my It's a face mask. This is a Yanessa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance polishing mask. Wow. Anyways, it's pretty cool, but this is a, like, you put it on your skin, massage in circular motions, rinse with warm water. It smells like pumpkins. I really do love pumpkins. It smells really good. I do like pumpkin scented things, but it's just so intense, and I haven't noticed a huge difference in my skin upon using it, and I do have pretty troublesome skin, so I was really excited to try face thingy, but that one's not my favorite. This, on the other hand, this is the Quench for Dry Skin Serum Drops. I'm literally just saying that out of memory because I don't remember what it's called. Moisture Replenishing Serum. So this is like a clear, gooey thingy-mabobber with something attached to it. This was really surprising to get in my box. I did say that I have dry skin in it, and I use this after I shower at night, and a little bit goes a long way. So for my dry skin gals, I really recommend this crap. It is so good. I should not call it crap if I actually like it. I do like this. This is cool. I would have never picked this up for myself. I always just am like, okay, I gotta get a new moisturizer, and hopefully that'll make my skin less dry. But that stuff before my moisturizer, bam baby, my skin has cleared up and it is way less dry. But then in the morning I use something else, which is what I got in my January box, Deep Sweep. This is a 2% BHA pore cleaning toner. So I use this in the morning. It has papaya in it. It's very light. You can put it on like a little sponge and put it on your face. I'm just using my hands because it's easier for me, and I didn't want to go get a little cotton pad, that's what I'm looking for. But yeah, I really like the smell of it. I use it every morning before I put my makeup on. I feel like it has definitely cleared up my skin as well. I just realized how much of a mess you can see in this part of the mirror. That is my clothing rack, and then this is a mess over here, so good for me. Next, I got 2 things that I put on my skin before makeup. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I do really like this. It's not my favorite. It's not like a CC cream or a BB cream. It massages into my face, and it's supposed to be like it's SPF 20. I didn't see a difference. I like to put these on and then not have to wear foundation, but this you have to wear foundation and concealer with because it doesn't hide any blemishes. But if you just need an SPF for going out into the beach or something, it's a little tinted, you can use that. It's not supposed to be full coverage or cover or anything. It's just supposed to be like a tinted moisturizer, but I didn't think it made my skin look that great. Not a fan of that one. But this guy, this is the Elemis Superfood, and I swear I'm saying all of this so tacky. Like, this is not how you pronounce these words, but there is that. I actually really like this. It is a glow priming moisturizer, so I put this on before my foundation, and boy do I love it. It makes my skin feel so good, makes my foundation go in so nicely, and it smells good. And it's got like a cool little, I just threw that. It's not too heavy, which I really like as well. So this one was a good find for me. Another thing I would never in a million years purchase for myself. Okay, when it comes to eye stuff, I haven't gotten too much besides like palettes and stuff, which we're gonna get into. But the first thing I got is from Queen, Q-V-E-E-N. Is that Queen? No? Okay. But this one came in for January. I swear to God, I thought this was like Lady Gaga's brand, but it is not. And this came with a pencil eyeliner, which I love it. It goes on so smooth. And then it also comes with a liquid, which looks like that. It's like the felt tip. And if you guys saw my Miss A haul, you guys know I don't use felt tip eyeliner, but I do like liquid eyeliner because it tore up my eyes last time. It felt like a needle jabbing into my skin, but this stuff went on so smooth, so easy to use. It's still not my go-to e.l.f. liquid liner, but it does the job and I don't hate it. And these did come together as one item, so that was pretty cool. The next thing I got was magnetic eyelashes, and it had like the black liquid liner and then the magnetic lashes that came with it. Yes, I saved them. I've worn them once and I did save them. They retailed for like $60, which I would never spend that kind of money on my eyelashes. Call me cheap, but Amazon does the job just fine. But yeah, I mean, this is cool to try out. I wore it when I was in Nashville and it kept my lashes on all day. It was super easy to apply. It worked just like eyeliner. Would never buy it for myself, but it was a cool thing to try. Oh, and it did come with the lashes. I did say that, right? I think I did. Hey guys, I am back with my hair is somewhat kind of done. My camera died, so I had a brief intermission, but let's get back to the haul now. The last little bit of that little eye section that I'm gonna do is this liquid corrector Jessica Black under eye stuff. It comes out pink and it is supposed to make it so your under eyes don't have dark circles. As you can tell, it's been in my makeup bag very deep down because I don't use it. I think it's really sticky after you put it on, so I definitely am not a fan of that one. Sorry, I feel like some people could use it right, but not this girl. While we're on the topic of eyes, let's get into some eyeshadows that I've gotten so far. And the first one is this Natasha Deonna? Don't really like it. I love the colors. They don't blend very well. The only good color in this palette is the metallic shade. It's really easy to blend. It's very buttery. I'm definitely a fan of that shade, and it's a really good like travel sized palette, so I can just throw it in my bag when I'm going to my boyfriend's or whatnot. But not a huge fan of it, but I am a huge fan of this palette, which is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever. And this one came in my January box. Look at those colors. That's so pretty. I really like it. I think it blends really well. I love the colors that came on it. Will I wear these green shades? Probably not, but these shades over here, these pinks and browns, they're like so pretty. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, and that's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. So I'm going to show you a little bit of me putting it on so you can kind of get an idea of the palette. I want to see how much this one retails for. So this one's $34. I like it. It's a good one. I also got this really cool, I thought it was a nail polish when I first opened it. Thought it was so cool. Remember those Stila sparkly eyeshadows? That's what this is. It's the same kind of thing. It's pure gold color. I really like it. It's very, very easy to blend. It doesn't take forever to dry, which I really like. I would probably buy these. I thought it was really cool. I loved getting it in my box because that's something I will use, and I like that it's like a gold or a silver. Well, mine was a gold, but I'm glad it wasn't like a crazy color that I won't be using, but I do want to try crazy colors. So last but not least in the eye category is the Milk Kush Waterproof Mascara. I have talked about this in one of my other videos. I really like it. It's super heavy. It is waterproof, but as you can see, as I apply it on my eyelashes, it doesn't give me the biggest dramatic effect. I'm definitely more of a fan of this Essence Lash Princess mascara. I think it's really good. It was like $3 something at Ulta, super cheap, and I just feel like that gives me more of dramatic lashes. So definitely a great mascara. I will use this anytime I need something waterproof. Very heavy. I could probably knock someone out with this, but not gonna do it yet. But yeah, definitely cool. I really liked getting that. I love trying out new mascaras because I'm not really one to try it out, but once I tried that like TikTok trendy mascara, kind of took over for me in that stage. Sorry, but it happens. It seems like their go-to products to send are lip products. So I have been obsessing over these lip products. I love everything that they send me. There's only one that I'm not a huge fan of, but it's not too bad. First up, this one came in my box this month. It is the Apple and Balm Lip Glow Mask. So you're supposed to put it on before you go to bed, and I really like it. It smells pretty good. It's cruelty-free and vegan, which I love because save the animals. It smells really good, and it does work really well. I put it on before I go to bed, after I do all my skincare stuff, pop it on my lips, and my lips have been really, really, really cracked, as you could probably see from winter and all that dryness. My skin and my hair and everything is just very dry, so I needed it. So that one was a really cool thing to get. I'm definitely a fan of it. Would probably purchase that again. The thing that I'm not a fan of is this SOL Generia. Why am I so bad at pronouncing anything that's not typical? It looks like this. I was really excited. It was in the very first box I got, and it looks pretty nice, but the smell is so like, oh. I wore this once as like a lip balm almost. All I could smell were my lips, and it was so overbearing, and I just was not a fan. This is in the color Keep It Rio. It's pretty cute. I mean, if you like overbearing scents, that might be good for you. I'm not a fan of it, so it wasn't my cup of tea. Last but not least, I got a lip liner and my MAC lipstick. Anything MAC gets me real hyped. So when I saw this in my box, I got really excited. It was in my December box. So first up, the lip liner. I got it in 2 colors. The other one is like a bright pink, and I don't really wear that color, so I don't even know where that is. But this one is so cool. It is in the shade Be Peachy. It's Ace Beauty. When you put a lip color on top of it, like I wear a lot of nudes, it's gonna blend effortlessly. It's super creamy. I really, really like this product. Last but not least, the MAC lipstick. Absolutely so cute. These retail for like 20 bucks, I think, each. And yeah, it's kind of small, but it looks like a little bullet, and it's so cute. I got the shade Love You Back matte lipstick. Oh my goodness, this is my go-to lipstick now. I just think it is so buttery, so creamy. I don't even need to talk about MAC because you guys already know they're like top superior, yes. So yeah, that is it. There are a couple more items that I have put somewhere in my room that could be anywhere at this point, but let me know what you guys think. Have you tried BOXYCHARM? Does this video make you want to try BOXYCHARM? Because it's not sponsored, and I just want you guys to love it as much as I do, because I feel like I'm benefiting, and whenever I feel like I'm benefiting off of something, I need to share it with you guys. Actually, my December box came in right before I left to go home for the holidays, and I opened it with my mom there, and she was like, oh my gosh, went and ordered one. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I loved having you guys here today. Please subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me. Leave me a comment, like, whatever, all that jazz. I love talking to you guys. Let me know what your favorite product was, and I think that's it. I will see you guys next week for another video, and you guys have a great rest of your week, okay? Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.